Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Swift and iOS development to learn about protocols. Protocols are a fundamental concept in Swift that helps you write cleaner, more flexible, and more maintainable code. So, whether you are a seasoned iOS developer or just starting, understanding protocols will be a valuable asset. So, what are protocols? Think of a protocol as a blueprint. It defines a set of requirements like methods and properties that a class, structure, or enumeration, ultimately all types, must follow. It's like a contract that says if you want to be part of this club, you gotta have these features. Now you have the overview of protocols. Let's understand why should we use protocols. There are several reasons why protocols are awesome. The first and foremost is flexibility. Protocols allow you to write code that works with different types as long as they conform to the protocol. This makes your code more adaptable and reusable. Second is loose coupling. Protocols promote loose coupling between different parts of your code. This means changes in one area won't necessarily break things in other. Third is compile time safety. Swift checks for protocol conformance during compilation. This helps catches errors early on before your app even runs. Let's see how protocol works with simple example. Imagine we want to create a messaging app. We can define a protocol called message displayable that outlines what information a message should have. So protocol message displayable. This is the simple syntax of declaring protocol. Let's declare some properties inside. First is sender name, type is string, it's a get property. Another one would be message text. Again, it's a string property and type would be get. And the last timestamp, the type of that property is date, and again it's a get property. So this protocol defines three properties: sender name, message text, and timestamp. Now any type that wants to represent a message in our app can conform to this protocol. Now we have created protocol. Let's take an example of a class called message that conforms to this protocol message displayable. Class message colon the name of the protocol message displayable. This is the syntax that we can define that we are conforming to this protocol. As soon as we write it down, Xcode yields us to conform to that protocol and declare all the required properties and methods of that protocol. Sender name, message text, and timestamp. This is the init method. The message class implements all the required properties of the message displayable protocol. Let's see how we can use that protocol. Now that we have our protocol and conforming class, we can use them throughout our application. For example, we could have a function that displays a message on the screen. This function would not care what type of object represents that message, as long as it conforms to the message displayable protocol. Means whether it is a class or a struct, what is the responsibility of class, what is the internal mechanism of that class, completely doesn't matter. This function takes an argument of name message and of type message displayable. Because message conforms to message displayable, we can pass a message object to this function and it will work as expected. This flexibility allows you to use different types of messages in your app. without modifying the display message function. So last, protocols are a powerful tool in your Swift developer toolbox. They promote cleaner, more maintainable, and more reusable code. By understanding protocols, you will be well on your way to writing professional grade iOS applications. Good luck.